Hi everyone, I'm Stacy from Hangzhou LIEBTY Machinery. Today, let's take a close look at LIUGONG 9075F excavator, a versatile workhorse for construction, landscaping, or farm jobs. First, power performance. This machine equips reliable imported Yanmar diesel engine. Rated power reaches 22.2 kW. When it comes to the traveling speed, the max forward and reverse speed up to 4.2 km per hour. It is equipped with 0.11 cbm bucket alongside optional 0.07 cbm narrow bucket and 0.14 cbm large earth moving bucket for various working scenarios. Besides, it supports quick hitch for dozens of attachments with Spacious ROPS safety cabin, powerful, cost-effective, agile. Contact me if you want more details about LIUGONG 9075F. Bye bye.